All right, I want to take you on a tour of my newly designed studio that I just finished and need to put a few finishing touches on before I'm ready to actually start this little live streaming adventure that I'm going to call Old Guy in the Morning. I'm going to come on about 7:30 in the morning for an hour to an hour and a half tops. Be done by 9 o'clock because I like to spend some time at the Canadian Drone Hub with the guys over there. But if I'm going to do it, I want to do it professionally as I can, for YouTube that is, and as professional as anybody can do it with a one-man show, being both the producer, director, talent, and chief technician. So anyway, this is the studio that at the stage that I put it together, and I've got 3 lights, and I'm balancing all of them. This backlight basically lights the back of the green screen, which makes it work much better. As we come in here around the green screen, we come to the actual studio itself, and we'll start over here. So over here I have the sound and the computer set up. So we have a Yamaha receiver and a Dell Inspiron gaming computer with a Ryzen 2700X processor. That's an 8-core, 16-thread processor, 16 gigs of RAM, a couple of SSD drives, and some big external hard drives for plenty of space. And that's also the computer that I use for editing my videos. Moving over here, we've got a 32-inch monitor here, and then a 43-inch 4K monitor right in the middle, which is my main monitor. And this is an Elgato Stream Deck, and this lets me operate pretty much any application, but specifically OBS for scene switching and setups with just one push of a button. So it takes a lot of the guesswork and fiddling out of trying to run a live stream in the morning. And coming across here, I'm using a Zoom H6, which is a 6-track digital recorder and mixer, and I'm using that to funnel all of or any sound sources external to the computer, like microphone or other audio source, into the computer because it has a USB interface, and it works beautifully. For a microphone, I'm using the Audio-Technica AT2020, and I really like the sound of this. I just got it. So that's going to be my microphone. And then moving over here, I have a notebook computer and some miscellaneous stuff within reach that I might need during the broadcast. I've got a second light, or a third light, here lighting the ceiling. So between this light and that light and the light that lights the rear of the green screen, I think it should be adequate. So I'm going to sit down here at the computer, and I'm going to fire up OBS. I'm going to turn on the Zoom H6, and it's going to ask me whether I want to use this as an audio interface or a card reader, and I want to tell it exactly what I want. And I want to bring my microphone in close, and as you can see, I've got a good microphone input there. The OBS software allows me to control pretty much anything, switching scenes, and it's really terrific. It's free software, and just has a little bit of a learning curve in it, but that's about it. And this window over here shows you what's being streamed. The window on the left shows you what's up and going to be streamed when you press the F1 key, like this. So this would be the screen for the countdown. Now, in order to get a countdown timer, there's another program that opens up, and I can set the time. Let's suppose I wanted to go live at 10 o'clock tonight, and I say start. And there you can see right below it's going to do a countdown. And I can play whatever music or put any backgrounds that I want in it. Now, when I'm ready to go live, I select the scene over here, which is me in front of the green screen, and I've got this very nice little brick background behind me, which looks pretty natural. And basically, I just hit F1, and this is what you're going to see on the screen. The old guy live. I have other views. I have another camera, which is over the top of me, and I can show you that. And that's a picture of me. I'll wave. Hi there. I can even put myself down in the corner and show you what's on my other screen there. So with all of these different setups that I have and all these different screens, I will be able to hopefully put on a very nice little live stream show. Or I'll be very confused, and the good news is most of the audience at this point are going to be my friends who understand what I'm going through. So this is a quick tour of my new studio, shot with my little GoPro. Nothing professional, and wish me luck. Well, hello everybody. It's old guy in the morning. Well, not quite yet. I'm just practicing now. But this is what it's going to look like. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I'm going to practice over the weekend, and I'm going to do my first live stream on Monday morning at 7:30 in the morning. That'd be February the 4th. So everybody, please join me and chat with me in the chat room and spend an hour and a half, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, until then, we'll be right back.